a 7480 turbo, and then it's got pure stage 3 transmission.
Hey Knole, tell me a little bit about the Supra.
Yeah, this is it's got a B58 Gen 2 engine in it, obviously, and then it's a 6-port car. It's got one of our KLM built engines in it. It's our stage 2 engine, and then it's also got one of our Savage turbo kits on it with a 7480 turbo, and then it's got pure stage 3 transmission in it.
How much horsepower?
So right now it made 1200 on the dyno, so we've turned it up a little bit from since putting it on the dyno. So I'd say it's making around 1250 horsepower. So
injector size.
So right now we have the factory direct injection still in the car, and then we run port injection, and it's got 1600 cc or 1650 cc injectors in it.
Tire pressure, what are you running?
Tire pressure we run, it depends on how we're looking at the track, temperature outside and so on. Typically it's around 16 to 17 in the tires, and it's ET Street R tires in the rear.
And your best quarter mile time?
So best quarter mile, so it's actually our first pass at Texas 2K. We went at 8:17 at 171. So.
Any shout outs you want to give out?
Yeah, I just want to shout out to, obviously we work with Precision Turbo for all our turbos, and we work with multiple other guys as far as putting the engine and transmission together. We run a pure transmission, so shout out to them. Shout out to Insomnia Motorsports. He helps us do like installations on the car. So we specialize in building the parts, and he helps us put them on the car and make sure everything's working right. And then Mikey Tune, so Mikey tunes the car and makes sure it's running right, tuned, and so we make sure we get down the track smoothly. So.
All right, thank you for the time.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks, man.